In this tutorial, we will cover some more features of the My App panel. Now, in order to further customize the application, we can access the More panel, which has a drop-down menu of various tools such as Contact, Social, Address, etc. We'll be covering them in depth in another tutorial, but we'll focus on the three we've mentioned. The Contact panel allows the user to feed in contact details such as email, phone number, and calling hours, which are displayed in the app as well as the website. Next up, the Social panel gives an interface to enter social links like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more, which increases the reach of your app and makes it more holistic. The Address panel provides the user with the ability to enter their or their business's address, which is displayed on the front end with a map corresponding to it, making it interactive and easy to reach out to. Now, it would be a good idea to learn more about how to create products in categories, so let's move on to the Pages panel. Like, subscribe, and share the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or send an inquiry to hello@virtubox.io.